What's going on, everybody? Welcome to my office, which is apparently in the land of saggy headliners, but that is a future project down the road. Today, we are working on some interior goodness on the Mark V Jetta. I picked up a new shift knob from Billet Workz. This thing is heavy, weighs like 450 grams, so beefy boy here. Nice little spherical guy, supposed to sit pretty low on the shaft.
That's what she said.
We are going to be installing this new shift knob on the Mark V Jetta, and a little spoiler alert for future videos. I got it printed in 6-speed. This is officially the first video in the series of doing a 6-speed swap on this guy. If you've seen any of my other videos where I talk about the integrated engineering tunes, stuff like that, you will hear me mention that this should have been a 6-speed from the factory.
What the hell were you even thinking?
You told me not to think.
It is finally going to start happening, so you definitely should subscribe. Hit the little bell icon so you get notifications when all the new videos are coming up. I'm going to be filming the whole process, doing a bunch of breakdown videos, showing all the parts I get, why I got them, stuff like that. So it's going to be a really cool series. Lots of good information, especially for those of you out there who are looking to 6-speed swap. This one currently is a 5-speed, so it's already got a manual transmission in it, but we are going to be going to the 6-speed, which is going to be a lot better ratios for the car. So yeah, lots of goodness coming down the line. Hit the subscribe button. Hit the like button on this video too. Might as well. You're already there clicking stuff, so scroll a little over and click both of them. So like I said, this is from Billet Workz. They do a lot of Subaru stuff, but they've got a whole section of shift knobs for Volkswagen. So this comes with all the adapters and everything you need. So we will see how all of this stuff bolts up. Should be pretty straightforward, but we are going to get that installed there. I do have the renowned steering wheel on here with the Momo hub. So if you haven't seen that video, check that out, as well as you will see this nice GTI Plaid shift boot from Euroverse. So I did a video on installing that too. So definitely check out all the links down in the description. I already have the ECS knob on here with the 5-speed, because that's obviously what's in the car. So super excited to go to the 6-speed. That's going to be a really fun project. First thing you got to do is lift up on the shift boot here. You can go around it with your interior tools and pop it up, or sometimes you can just get under there and get it up. This install is going to be slightly different just based on the knob that I already have on it. So if you have the factory knob, there's going to be a kind of a clamp on here that you're probably going to have to cut off. ECS one is just set on with set screws. Fresh canvas. The new knob from Billet Workz has this adapter here that's going to be set with set screws onto this shifter here. Now the Euroverse boot that I have on here really does not have a very big opening, so you can either modify that yourself or just leave it. There is a reusable kind of zip tie that comes in the kit. It does come with 4 set screws. You will need to supply your own Allen driver, and then if you want, you can put a dab of Loctite on there. I'm going to go around and get all 4 of these started. All right, all 4 set screws are started. So now is where you want to take the time, get this lined up, get in your driving position, kind of get this lined up with the logo however you want, preferably straight, because my OCD drives me nuts. And then you can go and walk around and tighten all of the set screws. All right, that is locked down. Nice. Anyways, that was the install on the Billet Workz. Stainless steel, I believe this one was machined out of, just because of the weight. 450 grams, like I said, so really beefy, heavy shift knob, gonna really get you to slam it into gear. Very simple, easy, straightforward install. I mean, it's a shift knob, right? Shouldn't be too complicated, but I like the collar system, and the threaded insert that they use with the set screws makes it really easy to kind of tweak it and get it aligned properly, so you have the logo or whatever, shift pattern, whatever. They do a lot of custom stuff, so you can kind of have it printed, laser engraved how you want. These are CNC machined and then powder coated, so lots of different color options. I just went with the matte black with the red ring, figured that would really accent the shift boot that I have in the GTI Plaid really well. So it looks good, it's really comfortable. Anyways, thanks for watching the video. Hit that subscribe button, like I said, lots of new content coming down the pipeline, and 6-speed swap. So lots of content involved with that, as well as some other projects that may or may not have been posted yet. So you definitely want to subscribe to the channel if you're into Volkswagen Audis, especially the 2.5 liter 5-cylinder 07K engine. So thanks for watching the install of the billet shift knob from Billet Workz. I will leave links to everything down in the description below, so definitely check them out. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, leave a comment. Tell me how weird and crazy and kooky I am and whether you like it or not. Because it's me and it's what's in my videos, and you're gonna get it regardless. Ha! Anyways, this outro sucks, but it's probably the one you're gonna get anyway. Find out in the final cut. Anyways, thanks for watching. See you in the next one.